What's up, guys? ¿Qué pasa, parceros? Este video tiene que ser en inglés. Así que this is the CS50 Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python course. And this is the traffic project that consists in write an AI to identify which traffic signs appears in a photograph. We will use the German traffic sign recognition benchmark dataset, which contains thousands of images of 43 different kinds of road signs. This is the dataset, and in each subdirectory contains a lot of images for the training. And for this project, I used CV2, NumPy, and TensorFlow, and Scalera. And for the model, I did a sequential model with a convolutional layer with 32 filters using a 3x3 kernel, a max pooling, then another convolutional layer, then another max pooling layer, then I flatten the units, and then in the hidden layers I use a layer with 128 neurons with an activation ReLU. I use a dropout layer, and for the output layer I use another layer with 43 units with an activation softmax. That's it. I'm gonna show you how it works. Python traffic and the data set. How you can see in the POC5, the accuracy is 0.88. We need to wait until end the training for use the neural network with the test dataset. And with the test dataset, we have an accuracy of 0.97. That it's great. And that's it. This is the project.